Very good morning to all of you, and we are going to start a new unit that is building technology. The syllabus, as you already know, of this unit is curtailed due to COVID 19, and the topic in this unit is such as selection of a site for a building, types of buildings, what is plot area, what is floor index, what is carpet area, and what is the purpose of sunlight and ventilation in a building. So let's start with the first topic, that is selection of site for a building. So selection of a site for any type of building is the first and the most important aspect before going to start any construction, because the all the amount, all the fund that you are going to invest for a particular site is depends what you want from the site. So there may be the lot of the factors, parameters as far as selection of site is concerned. So if for any type of building, you should you should keep few points in your mind before selecting a site. Very first point is the level ground with good quality of soil. It means the soil uh, on the site should have very good geotechnical properties, because all the load from the superstructure will be transferred to the substructure, which is foundation, and through the foundation it will transfer to the soil. If the soil will not have the adequate geotechnical properties or good bearing capacity, so it will increase the cost of a building and it will be less economical, because you will go through the various combination of foundation. You will, as you have already studied what is the raft foundation, what is the deep foundation, so they got costly as far as uh, shallow foundation such as continuous or strip is concerned. So this is the first point. Second is the calm but reasonably developed location. If you are going through the residential building, so it should already, the site should be already developed or in developing stage. So you may have some basic amenities like electricity, drainage system, your LPG lines, transportation facilities available over there, and you need some peace, you need some greenery, you need no noise pollution or no air pollution around your site. And the third point is the road connectivity. It means the you can access your site 24/7. You can come anytime, you can leave your site anytime, your building any site. So you have different types of transport available, like e-rickshaw, like taxis, or you can travel by your car. Even you can come to your building at any time, uh, regarding your safety. Good communication facilities. Communication facilities, you have nowadays it is the time of internet, electronics, so you should have better internet connection, fax facilities, your broadband, your mobile network problems, all that. So it should have the better communication facilities. And the next point is the electricity, water, and sewer lines should be available. Electricity is the needs and very essential in every household because of lots of equipment in the house like TV, refrigerator, AC, cooler, fans, tube lights. Everything is now running on electricity, so should have the good quality, good, I mean, uh, coverage, और you can say कि एक काफ़ी घंटों तक आपके काफ़ी ड्यूरेशन आपके यहाँ लाइट अवेलेबल हो। ऐसे ही जो पानी जो है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ए बिग प्रॉब्लम इन वेरी मेजर cities like Delhi. So it should have the good water connection at your site, and sewer lines, and the sewer lines are basically to drain out the wastewater or from your household. So otherwise during the rainy season, if sewer lines will not be proper function, there will be lot of water lodging problem around the site. And the next point is away from hazardous industries, like uh, uh, like sorry, away from hazardous, if the site should be away from the your manufacturing or industrial area, because some industries may use the radioactive elements or maybe use harsh chemicals like fertilizers, like fly ash problem. Fly ash plant, the thermal power plant which generate fly ash as a byproduct. They are very harmful for your lungs, for your health, and it should be like some oil refineries areas. There are lot of health issues, so your site should be away from these hazardous industries. And flood prone areas, waterlogged area reclaim should be avoided, like where are high chance of flood, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा आपके बाढ़ आती हो, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी भरता हो, बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्लेम लैंड की उसको अभी उसको सेटल किया होगा, वो मिट्टी नहीं भरी हुई कुछ जगहों पे, तो बरसात के टाइम पे जनरली रेनी सीज़न में ये साइट्स बहुत प्रॉब्लमेटिक होती हैं। आपका घर को डैमेज हो सकता है, आपकी फाउंडेशन सेटल हो सकती है, और ये सब चीज़ें आपके साथ हो सकती हैं। और गुड नेचुरल वेंटिलेशन एंड लाइट, these are natural lighting is very good for your eyes, for your bodies, and it really feel some positiveness if you get sunlight in your house, and ventilator is good because fresh air circulation in your house is very important to reduce the odor, to maintain the hygiene in the house. So it are few points in this slide we will further discuss in the next class. Thank you.